Okay, so now let's talk about the personal products which are being produced by ITC. So basically, if we furthermore talk about the personal products, then in personal products, if we talk more, then basically the ladies might be more interested in this. So basically, yeah, even men are interested, but yeah, ITC is bringing a good kind of premier FMCG goods which are kind of also recognized as world class quality goods, which are also enduring a good kind of customer image in them, kind of in the personal care business. And since July 2005, ITC has kind of brought this personal care products. And in this period, from July 2005, ITC came, right? So they had kind of launched a good brands like good range of brands which kind of offer them a unique and a superior value. Apart from that, the proposition of discerning the consumers as well, anchored on extensive consumer research and the regarding focusing on the customer development, the product development of the personal care. And ITC personal care portfolio kind of gets you to a world class product, like each and every product which you might know if you go to every nook and corner. It clearly also differentiates itself, its benefits, its quality. Like when it's compared to the other products, why should a consumer should purchase from it, right? Like if you yourself, why you should purchase it, right? You also might be thinking why you should purchase it, right? So yeah, that's the reason. And ITC's personal care portfolio, if we talk about, then it has various products, like we have your Essenza, Devils, Fiamma, Vival, Engage, your Savlon, your Charmis, Shower to Shower, yeah, Shower to Shower, then Nimoil, Nimwash, then Superior. Then we have various other brands which have received a great sort of encouragement from the consumers. Like they kind of got attracted and a good response was received from them. Progressively, the nation grew and people tried to purchase them. So it kindly grew progressively, and nation-wise also and internationally also it grew very well, kind of, and its business was quite moving very high, 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 and high. Okay. So ITC has a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, as we all know, and it meets the stringent requirements. Or there is a difficult requirements which its agreements are there, and certain hygiene benchmark that their products go through during the manufacture practices. Like stringent rules are specified that these products should go under this location as well only. If we talk about the contemporary technology and the latest manufacturing processes, then those have been combined kind of to produce, it can kindly produce distinctively a good range of superior products basically. So if they produce a good kind of superior products, and their products personal care products rank very high in good quality, as I said, due because of the consumer appeals and the stringent rules which are applied in the factories and in the manufacturing at the time. And extensive steps have been taken by ITC to gain through its numerous consumers in India as well as internationally. They have engaged and they have kind of provided a good range. They put a great effort in their research and development department, so that the product like goes very good, and then it comes out and people like it. So the product development team also kind of develops a superior and differentiation strategies are applied, so they get a differentiation product. They apply cost leadership strategy as well. They meet the customer requirements, the customer stated products, the product also is used internationally recognized. As I said, it is this no, there's some product, so product is there, so safe ingredients as well are used. And high, see, there should be standard of living. So because of standard of living and safety measures are fully taken by ITCs, so only the performance is kind of growing right here. Apart, if they had not taken this measure, it was not growing basically, right? So the personal care product would have not increased to such a high level. Like the product would have not increased to such a high level, right? If we speak. So basically, this was the reason. Okay. So yeah, and the personal care products are kind of increasing in such a way that, as I told, all the brands are there, and ITC basically tells us that these are the products, or these are certain products we have to focus on, then I can say that yeah. So in this way you can kind of achieve this. So kind of if you more focus on the ITC's personal care product, then all the brands are doing very good in every nook and corner of the world kind of. And it's not discouraged that the ingredients were used lost, because they are using each and every type of product kind of. See, now they are using as we spoke, safety measures. So all precautions have been taken, all safety measures have been taken, and then the product comes out after applying product strategies, cost strategies. Yeah, cost strategies, if I talk about why if someone asks why cost strategies are being applied here, then basically the cost strategies are being applied here because of the reason that see the if same thing, the supply and demand thing. Because if I, as a customer, I would like to purchase certain product, then obviously I need to, I compulsorily need, compulsorily not, but as a human I need a product which is at a lower cost, obviously, right? Okay, so basically ITC keeps in mind the cost to be lower, so they sell it. They may apply a low cost strategy as well, but at times to gain a profit they might use what we call that price scheming and predatory pricing rules, which you might see it. So, so these are the things which ITC is being using, and personal care products are. See, it's not like only men's are using, or sorry, it's not like only the women's are using the personal care products. Yeah, kind of. If you see the marketing of these products, basically, if you see into the marketing or advertisements in the TV, etc., all these products, if you go moreover around 80 to 90 percentage of the ads, if you see, I'll just show you an ad, etc. So in this ad also, if you see, basically, women are being portrayed for this purpose. So that doesn't mean that only women are using these products. Somewhere also, somewhere or the around in the nook or corner, even the men's are using these products basically. So yeah, I'll just show you an ad to get, so that you get to know that also see the personal care products are kind of being, they are kind of putting I can say a role model, like this is the strategy that to use, not to use as well, to put forward women's in the this thing, the advertisement, so that the products first, see if gets attracted. See, women's kind of by goes for shopping, etc. So they kind of grab their product, so they put their advertisement through women, so they buy it. And later on, even men's, if they kind of think that these products are good, they also just try and giving their best on this, and they just purchase these products. Okay, on the other hand, I'll just show you these one ad. Okay, so okay, I'll just show you it. Okay, so we get, even I'll get an idea, and we get an idea that this is the way it works. Okay, so it goes like this. Sorry, what happened? Once again, I think. Uh, just tell me. Okay, no, you can't tell me. I'll just pick Vival. Okay, Vival is in the ITC, right? So Vival so bad. I'll just take okay, Vival so bad. See, even men's are involved. It's not like this. I'll just open this ad. Okay. Wait, wait, sorry, sorry. I'll just see for any other ad possible. So this not. Wait, what is this? We will. So we'll just check out. Okay, not this ad as well, but more see. Okay, this will see. I guess this works. Okay, see, this will see. Hope you will get an idea by this. Okay, okay. So we'll just see this 20 seconds ad on in this. Okay. We'll both together see it. Okay, okay. Hope you are able to see it here. I'll just on the video and you guys can see it here. Okay, okay. One second. Okay. See.
बड़ी जल्दी में हो सर? गर्मी बहुत है मैडम, वर्दी की। हाँ, गर्मी तो बहुत है, लेकिन आपको शायद पापा के पैसों की गर्मी ज्यादा लग रही। बढ़ती गर्मी में विवेल कूल मिंट करे आपकी स्किन को सॉफ्ट और आपको कूल। अब समझौता नहीं।
So you can see that kind of woman is being portrayed in this, and see, women are being shown, and empowerment is also being shown in this woman. As you saw this ad, many might have understood. Once again, many might have understood by this that the strategists are very clever. I can say in this perspective that they are kind of showing women empowerment in this, and on the other hand, women get attracted by this. I can say so. Yeah. So this is the thing. By this, obviously, they'll get attracted. So I'll just show you one more ad. So this was one ad. I'll just show you if there are any two, three ads. Then you just comment down that which was the ad which you think was the good one. Okay, I'll just show you one more. Okay, not only Vival, I'll just show you some other ad. Okay, so basically, what is the thing? See, this is one more of Kriti Sanon itself. It's Vival only. I'll show you other ads, but see again, it's the woman being portrayed here. See,
विवेल एलोवेरा में है प्राकृतिक एलोवेरा और विटामिन ई की अच्छाई। ये त्वचा को बनाए सॉफ्ट से भी सॉफ्ट। विवेल एलोवेरा।
so this is how they are now in this video. What comment on what do we get an idea? So here, what idea do we get is the portrayal is kind of like this. There's a mother played by Kriti Sanon, and there's some child actor. So basically, what happened? Okay, so yeah. So I was telling that this role was played by Kriti Sanon, and then basically there was a child actor. So now they are showing the bonding of a mother and daughter here, basically. So now they are trying to attract children also. So now if a small children sees like that, a small daughter basically. So even she might want that her mother basically uses Vival, so she looks like Kriti Sanon basically. So yeah, I can say in this perspective, they are the strategists of ITC are basically very clever marketing strategists. I would like to say. So we will. I'll show some other one more thing. Okay, I'll just show you one more thing else, where even you will get an idea that not only it's the thing of Vival. Uh, we had Fiamma, right? I'll just check on Fiamma. When we had many like that too. Fiamma ad, we'll see Fiamma ad. Okay, see. Even here again, I told you right, women are more. See, this is one more ad. Again, woman is being portrayed here. You just concentrate on the ad basically.
बाथरूम के बाहर सोप का फ्रेशनेस गॉन, पर फियामा सेंस बॉडी वॉश इट्स ऑलवेज ऑन। शाम में इसके सेंट बबल्स स्किन पे होंगे लॉक और फिर एक टच से होंगे अनलॉक, so I feel full day fresh. New Fiyama Sense body washes with nature's goodness.
It's all right. So that's how again now women was portrayed. As I said, they're trying to just put women front and they're attracting kind of 1 second. Okay, so this is how they're kind of attracting. So this was Fiamma. Even you saw here, right? So I'll just show you one more ad. This is another. Various, there are many ads like being played. See, one more thing is now if they are choosing actors, sorry, actress and maybe some actors are involved. But see, now what things come here is it's the kind of strategies. If they use actresses on this perspective, ITC basically, ITC's marketing strategies, they are using the actresses in this perspective. So what might happen is certain ladies, I can say, or let it be anybody, men's as well, if they are fond of like of that actress, I can say basically like anybody, like any for namesake, I can say Shraddha Kapoor or anybody. So now if she does an ad, I'll be having a kind of faith, right? See, if she does any ad of any biscuit or etc., I'll be like, yeah, so she's my favorite actor and she's doing an a kind of advertisement on the same. So why don't we just try and purchase the same? At least if the taste is not good, I might buy it once, twice, thrice, or if I'm most fonded or she's my most favorite one, I just kind of if the taste is not good enough, I'll still buy it. But as a what I would say, a cost-effective customer, if still I can call it like conjuice one, I can, but still I'll just try for once because she's my favorite actor, right? So that is their marketing strategy, which ITC is basically using here by acquiring or kind of choosing actresses or actors in this field, so people kind of get attracted, so they use various effects and etc and attract the customers basically so that we buy their products, right? On the other hand, if we see other products, if they just show the soap, like if some in the previous years, if I talk about like before this is in the years 90s or 80s, if I talk about some person who might be coming and for example, I'll just show you one thing. For example, I don't have a soap right now. Just think this is a soap, okay? So previously what they had to do is they'll come just and show, okay, this is the company, I'll just this is the soap, well, these are the advantages, these are the disadvantages, please purchase this. And that was just a common man or maybe a celebrity as well, but there was no kind of innovation brought during that time, and just we came forward, the hero heroines or let it be a common man came and he just showed the soap and that's all. And people maybe used, but they were using some other soaps because the marketing level was not that high at that time. Recently the innovation have taken place, right? So I'll just show you previous ads also, if it is available, how soaps were being sold by that, or else I'll just show you another ad of the product basically. Okay, so what were the products? So um, so we will come personal care. Okay, so we'll just see Savlon is also a personal care product. Okay, see Savlon is kind of acquired by them recently. Hope you all know. See this IDC Savlon. I'll show you. See, this is a very important ad. See these products like Slavlon, and they got a very high and very good revenue during the COVID time. Basically, COVID time, these medicines or let it be soaps, and they just mention 100% effective and it frees you from COVID, etc. And people who are see, it helps you in this thing, COVID, but it does not eradicate the virus, right? So that was just a marketing strategy, and some people just buy it on that basis that it completely eradicates COVID, but it's not that it completely eradicates the same. So this is one more ad I'm just showing you. You just check out, okay? Okay, now it will be visible if I'm not wrong.
ये क्या कर रहा है? हाँ? बाहर के जर्म्स और वायरस लेकर मेरी बहू के पास आए ना, तो तुम्हें मेरी किक मिलेगी। जाओ, पहले सैवलॉन से स्नान करके आओ, जाओ। नया सैवलॉन हेक्सा एडवांस सोप, हेक्सा प्रो पावर के साथ ये दे आपकी फैमिली को सैवलॉन की सबसे एडवांस प्रोटेक्शन। अपनों की सुरक्षा सैवलॉन।
It's all right. So now in this thing, now they showed. See, there are two perspectives here. Okay, two perspectives I'll show you. One on one, they just tried to put again the woman perspective here by showing the pregnancy effect here. Basically, that it should not affect the health or the baby, etc. Whatever we say. So on the other hand, as a whole, on the family perspective, also they put that in the COVID time they can use the Savlon product or take a bath on the Savlon soap, etc., and they can be healthy enough. On the other hand, so this is how Savlon thing was started. I'll just show you one more ad that we get to know how these marketing strategies of Savlon were done, right? See, various ads we have here. If you go various ads, you have. See, this one I would like to. This one I would like to show you. See, nowadays, recently schools are also being opened. So I'll just show you a school ad basically. 1 second now. See this ad you see. This ad is also a very communicative. On it's. I'll just show you the button.
এক দুই তিন নয় 20 সেকেন্ড ধরে সাবান হ্যান্ড ওয়াশে হাত ধোবো বারে বারে সচেতন থাকবো সবাই যাবো না ভুলে স্যানিটাইজার ও হ্যান্ড রাব দেবো আমরা স্কুলে রাখবো সোশ্যাল ডিস্টেন্স যতটা সম্ভব হয় ঘরে বাইরে করবো আমরা সবসময় ভয় আর নয় আমরা করবো জয় হারবে করোনা জিতবো আমরা আছে এই প্রত্যয় করবো জয় আমরা করবো জয় আমরা করবো জয় নিশ্চয় জীবাণুর বিরুদ্ধে লড়াইয়ে আমরাই করব জয় আর তাই আমাদের এতদিনের ভালো অভ্যাসগুলোকে ধরে রাখতে হবে সব সময়ের জন্য
You understand this? 1 second.
করোনা ভাইরাসের মহামারীর এই
Okay. So here, as I told you, now they are now. Uh, See, this time woman is not being portrayed here, but still, as you can see, now they acquired the student community basically. School, the student community, let it be college community as well, but everybody use these Savlon sanitizers, let it be, or they are marketing that school is being opening right now, right? So they'll be using this was in a Bengali language, if I'm not wrong. So if I'm wrong, just comment down. So this is the thing. So they use that. Please use this and then go to the school, and then you can learn the things very clearly, right? So this is also the marketing perspective, we can say. So basically, by applying this marketing perspective, they are kind of also putting the student community in this. They already have their classmate books, etc., which we'll discuss further. But still, they in this, see, they want to capture the whole business, I would like to say. So if they want to capture whole of the business, see, we have, if we have one way to go on a road, like there will be full of traffic, right? If somebody makes certain 4 to 5 ways, that would be good, right? We can go from here, we can go from here as well. So they want to somehow get to the some student community by various ways. Hope you understand. If they don't earn a revenue in a classmate, sometimes they are earning quite good. But if they don't, they are doing it by Sablon to this. I just show you this ad through Sablon, or maybe any other food industry. If they are and somehow they want to just go to that community. Somehow they want to reach or attract the customers in any way possible. They want to just sell their personal care product somehow. I'll just show you one more. Okay, human supermodel, not this. Which was another Nimaila? I guess one more was Nimail. I just checked. Nimail is there. What? A Dermafic was there. I got Dermafic. Dermafic was there if I'm not wrong. I just checked Dermafic. Dermafic. I'll just show you Dermafic as well. So Dermafic ad will get. See here it is Dermafic. One second. Okay, so we have the Dermafic here. I'll just show you once again.